Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope students are clear about your syllabus for UT. Beta, is the syllabus for UT clear to all, or do we need to discuss it? I hope you know the syllabus. UT is of how many marks?
Yes, ma'am.
How many marks is your UT, beta? Let's first revise it quickly. How many marks is your UT?
Ma'am, 40.
20 marks will be for literature. Yeah, beta. 40 marks total UT is there. 20 marks are going to be for your literature. And the rest of the 20 marks are going to be your writing section, comprehension, and grammar. So let us talk about the distribution when it is my 20 marks. Let me tell you, out of 20, 10 marks is going to be comprehension. Because even in board examinations in class 12, out of 80 marks, 20 marks is comprehension, beta. So 1/4 of your paper is always comprehensions. So we cannot ignore that part. And in class 11th, I have given the other type of comprehension also, which I told you, graphical interpretation. I have already practiced it with you earlier. If you want, we can practice it again someday. So I have also given a graphical interpretation kind of a question in class 11th for you, where you'll have to answer questions just looking at reading at the graph. We have done this earlier, that bar graph interpretation kinds. In grammar this time, we have very simple topics because this time I gave you the liberty to select your syllabus yourself. So you have selected very simple things. You've taken it as reordering of sentences and gap filling. So I'm practicing reordering of sentences with you. And in letters, you know the letter is business letters,
Business.
where you have to, yes, complaints, placing orders, all those kind of things. And there is one more choice in letters. What is it?
Place order.
Spita?
Posting order. Nothing, ma'am.
See, first is, I already told you, the first is what? It is your, uh, one is business letters and second is article writing. There will be a
Yes.
choice. There will be a choice. So you'll have to attempt an article. So the syllabus is very clear to everybody. In writing section, it is business letters and article writing. Then in grammar, you have reordering sentences and gap filling. And in comprehensions, you'll have a simple passage. You may also have a passage which is based on charts and bar graphs and all those things. Syllabus is clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, can you repeat? Ma'am, there
Yes,
was
ma'am.
network problem.
You want me to repeat the syllabus for you?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay, just 1 second. Let me take it out. See, in writing section, it is business letters and article writing. Business letters I have already done with you. Placing orders, cancelling orders, requesting for speedy delivery, all those kind of things, beta. These are called as business letters, basically. What are these? These are your business letters. Then in grammar, it is reordering sentences and gap filling. And comprehension is there, where you have a graph also.
Okay, ma'am.
So this time the syllabus is very simple because you people have selected it on your own. So it is quite an easy syllabus. So nothing to do. I've shared some jumble sentences with you. Just attempt the first exercise. Raise your hands. Let me see who does it first and who does it correct. Doing first is, of course, good. But what is more important is that you do correct. How will you check, beta, that your sentence is correct? Please count the number of words in the sentence which I give you and count the number in the words that you have prepared. That is very important. If you miss out one word also, then it's entirely wrong. So I hope you understood how to check jumble sentences. So whoever finishes first can raise their hands. You will only do A, B, C, and D. Only the first 4 ones. Then I'll take your attendance after this, Peter. First we'll discuss this, then later I'll take your attendance.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. All of you board registrations are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope nobody is left because now there is a fine.
ma'am.
The last date is already gone. So if there's somebody, then there's a fine now. And after a day or two, the fine system will also get over. And then you will not be registered for your exams in CBSE for class 12. You'll not be able to appear. So are you sure all of you got your registration signed? If there's any
Yes,
friend
ma'am.
of yours, beta, if there's anybody left, tell them that pay the late fee and get it done, because in a day or two till Diwali, this will also close, beta. Why I'm telling you this is tomorrow is the last working day. Then we've got Diwali break. So maybe I don't meet you. Tomorrow I don't have a class with you. So that's why I'm telling you today this part. How many days holidays you're getting for Diwali?
4 days.
4 days. But this time, beta, Sunday is coming now. In the middle, you're having a Sunday also.
Yes, ma'am.
We will get an
And from
extra holiday.
13 to
Friday to Monday, but then Sunday is coming in the middle. So hard luck. Had it been any weekdays, you would have got pura 4
Only
days.
3 days.
And
But
we will
here,
be getting an extra holiday.
nahi beta, we will not be getting any extra holidays. It's only Friday to Monday. Monday, I think, is your Bhai Dooj, no? 16th.
Yes, ma'am.
So holidays are only till 16th. This
Yes.
Sunday has spoiled the entire thing, no? That is the problem. Otherwise, things would have been better. Had the Sunday been on that edge, this side or that side, then the holidays would have been more. They would have been preferably more convenient also for everybody. Okay, 2 participants have already raised hands. Who are these 2 children? Priya Gangwar and Vedehi Singh. Okay. There were some issues regarding their English literature classes. Some of you had messaged me personally. I'm not taking the names of anyone. So I have discussed with principal sir, and sir will talk to ma'am. And now onwards, you can attend your classes even without switching on your cameras. This message had come to me from many students actually. So I have already discussed it with principal sir, beta. And sir said he will be talking to ma'am about it. So now you can attend your classes without the cameras also. But don't say this that ma'am, sir has said I can attend. Don't do this on your part. It is disrespectful. Let sir talk to ma'am. Clear, children? Okay, Paritosh is also done. Akash, Shehzar, Vishal, Anshika, Ariba. Kya hua beta? Only 4 sentences I have given. Not a big task. Chalo, let's do. Tell me the first answer. Beautiful ballerina, we marvel dancing at the gracefully.
We
Who will give
marveled at the beautiful ballerina
We marveled at the
we
beautiful
marveled
ballerina
at the
dancing
My
dance.
beautiful
gracefully.
marble dancing at the
If you can speak, I'll be able to understand, children. 10 participants have raised hands. Okay, start.
May I?
Anyone first.
We marveled at the beautiful Maverick dancing gracefully.
Beta, do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What does it mean? What does the sentence mean?
Yes.
Who will give me the meaning of this sentence?
Ma'am, this means that the people marveled. Marveled means to look they were amazed to see the ballerina dancing gracefully.
Yes. So the word over here, marveled, is getting amazed or getting surprised or getting impressed, something like that. So let's move on to the second one now. Yes, the second answer.
The little boy gazed at the swarm of white butterflies hovering over the meadow.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you agree with the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are meadows, children? What are meadows?
Flowers or something.
What are meadows?
Ma'am, it is a dog species.
No, no, no.
Flowers.
Ma'am, it
No,
is
ma'am.
a kind of
Ma'am, where?
farm or grassland.
Grassland.
Yes, ma'am.
Grassland.
Exactly. It's a grassland, pasture land, something like that. Yes, very good. Third one. In the third one, be very careful. We don't have to miss out words, children. Hanji beta, speak. Third one. Who will give the answer? Start.
The documentary I
Ma'am, may I?
watched last night was very informative.
Fawaz has given the answer. Beta, the C one. First, the C one has to come.
Comics
Oh,
are
sorry.
an
Haan,
efficient
Paritosh?
way of presenting a small amount of information in a lot of space.
Beta, do you agree with what he's saying?
A small.
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Strong.
No. So they don't agree. So they're going to give their own option. Yes, Beta, what is the answer according to you people?
Comics are an efficient way of presenting a small amount of information in a.
Ma'am,
Okay,
comics
Prateek,
Ma'am,
are.
may I tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Devansh,
comics
you want
are
to try and Uditi wants
an
to try.
efficient
So first
way.
Devansh, then Uditi. Haan, Devansh.
Ma'am, comics are an efficient way of presenting presenting a lot of information in a small amount of space.
Beta, do you agree the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uditi also wanted to give the answer. So Uditi, you are okay with this answer? What Devansh has
Yes,
given us?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is fine with the answer, bitches?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
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 Now the last one. It's a simple one.
The documentary I
Which
watched last
field?
night was very informative.
Vedai, once again, Beta, Vedai, slowly, once again.
The documentary I watched last night was very informative.
Okay. Children, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
all agree with the answer?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So should we lock? So this answer is locked because everybody is agreeing. So now we'll move on to the second exercise where you again have 4 sentences. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Prepare yourself. By the time I'll take your attendance. After UTs, I think you will get 1 or 2 classes because schools are opening from 17th. And your exams are starting from?
Ma'am,
21.
21.
21st. Okay. So you will get time. About 2-3 days you'll have classes. How many of you will come? That is a different question. But surely you'll have classes like this. You don't have gaps in UTs, no?
Ma'am, in 2 of them.
That is must be because the Sunday is coming, no? Otherwise, there are no gaps as such.
Yes, ma'am.
Tried my best to give you at a place. Okay, Vikram. Vikram, are you present, beta?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, good boy. Fine. Ritul? Ritul.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, she's there. Let me mark her present. Then we have Devansh. Devansh is there. He was just answering. Anshika?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, what happened these days? You're not regular for bio classes? Mansi?
Present, ma'am.
Anshika, what happened? Diwali shopping?
No,
Akash?
ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, sometimes I missed. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you're such a regular child. Just now in the PTM only I appreciated you and
No,
what
ma'am.
happened?
I attended, but sometimes
Chalo, it's okay. Akshita?
present, ma'am.
Okay, she's there. Akshita, here. Fine. Ansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank God you started coming. Then we have next Ariba, regular student.
Present, ma'am.
Oh God. Aryan Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Beta आप regular है ना, okay? You've just started coming. Now please be regular. Aryan Raj. Ayush Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. I need to do the attendance properly. Principal sir will be asking, especially for those students who got the letters for short attendance. Some of you have got letters now. So sir is
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
your feedback. Yes, sir is taking the attendance feedback from me every time. After Aryan Raj, Ayush Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ayush Patel is present. Ayush Anand.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruv. Dhruv Srivastav, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, beta, present there. After Dhruv, we have, I need to take it very seriously because I need to forward it to sir also. And many of you, future is going to depend on this only. Faiz and Harshita.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Harshita is also there. Faiz is also there. Okay. Miran and Muzammil.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Miran is there. Muzammil, even your attendance data. Be careful, huh? This is the last opportunity you're getting. Paritosh and Pranjal.
Okay, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Present,
हाँ
ma'am.
बेटा. Be careful because sir is clearly monitoring your attendance. Paritosh is present.
Yeah.
Pranjal is present. Okay. Pratik, Ritul.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Pratik Pandey is there. Ritul is always regular. Fine. Saif, Shazir.
Present, ma'am.
Shazir is there.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Shazir, beta, biology student हो ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
How many classes have you taken, my child?
ma'am. Starting classes, ma'am. Only.
कितना starting? कौन सा month का starting बेटा? Bio students, how many times Shazir has attended the class with you? Tell me. क्या करते हो बेटा? At home, what do you actually do
Sorry,
when
ma'am.
you're not taking classes? Shazir, I'm talking to you.
Ma'am,
You're a
actually, I'm
bio
studying.
student.
Ma'am, Ma'am, actually I'm studying.
ओके एंड क्लासेस के टाइम पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे
Ma'am,
होते हैं?
you
वी आर
can-
नॉट स्टडिंग.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no. Class.
प्रतीक पांडे. Pratik. I've already marked him. Now he's gone. Suryansh, Soni, and Soham.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sony present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, all three of you are there now. Beta, you three also you have got short. No, Soni has not got a letter. And then Utkarsh Yadav and Vishal. Last.
Present, ma'am.
Vishal Upadhyay, are you there, beta?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Utkarsh is
Present,
also
ma'am.
there.
Yes, ma'am.
Have I missed out anyone? Please let me know.
Ma'am Devansh.
Me,
Akash.
Fawaz.
Ma'am Uditi.
Ma'am,
Very
ma'am Priya.
Ma'am
When
Devansh.
you people, so one by one, when you people speak now, then your names go here and there. So I must have missed out. Make sure you get your attendance done. This is very. Devansh, I've already marked you present. Okay. Uditi,
Yes, ma'am.
I've already marked you present because those who answer, I keep marking. Uditi, I've already marked you present. Who
Ma'am,
else is
Priya.
present? Vede is already marked present. Uditi is already marked present. Who else?
Fawaz.
Ma'am
Priya.
Akash.
Ma'am
Priya is
Priya.
not- Okay. Okay. Priya, I have not marked. Priya, I marked present. Priya, even you have to be careful about your attendance. Priya is
Akash.
also.
Ma'am, have you marked my present?
Akash, I've
Ma'am,
already
Vishal.
marked you. Akash is already
Ma'am
marked
Ritul.
present. Ritul is already present.
I'm Ritul.
Ma'am, Vishal.
Vishal, I have marked you present.
Ma'am
But
Mansi.
Mansi, I have not marked present. Let me mark you present.
Fawaz.
Mansi, yes, done. Fawaz and Faiz both are present. I marked you, children. Now we'll do the answers. If there's still somebody left, let me know, dear, because attendance is going to matter a lot in this. Hardly any days now. You have this, and then you got your UTs. You won't have your classes. And
Ma'am,
sir was
Utkarsh.
saying March, beta. March we'll start with the new session. Sir was saying, no. So February we'll have exams. So if you're having February exams, we're just left with 2 months, December and January. Chali, beta, give me the answer. One of the habit, this one. Give me the answer.
One of
Ma'am,
the
One
greatest
of the
habit
the
of
habit of
The
reading.
habit of reading is
The
one of
habit
the
is
greatest
one-
resource of
Reading
man.
book is one of the
Your class
greatest resource of
11
mankind.
students, your class 11 students, one child speaks, then just hold on. I think he started first. Let us speak. Start with he,
the
then others.
habit. The habit of reading is one of the greatest resource of mankind.
Beta, do you agree with the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
One of you
Yes,
more.
ma'am.
One more child can give the same. Saif, you give me the answer. Same one.
Ma'am, I have different, ma'am.
Okay, that is why I'm asking you. Yes.
Ma'am, the habit of reading, one of the greatest is, ma'am, the habit of reading book is one of the greatest resource of mankind.
See, what he's saying is correct, but we should not add words from our own. Book is not mentioned over here. Children, that is why, see, this is also correct. The habit of reading is
One of the greatest
greatest resources of
of
mankind.
mankind.
This also can be taken up. Okay. So you can have a different way also, no issues. Okay, second one now.
The world
The
of
world
books
The
is
of
full
world
of
book is
of
full,
books is full
book
of
is full of
adventure and
adventure and
wisdom.
wisdom.
First Paritosh, then Soni. Paritosh started first. So first Paritosh, then Soni. Speak, Paritosh.
The world of books is full of adventure and wisdom.
Soni, your answer?
Ma'am, it is same.
The same. Everybody agrees with the answer, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we're going to go to the third one. Start with the third one.
You can
You can
enjoy a
You
book
can
at
enjoy a
your
book
own
at your own
convenience.
convenience.
Own at your convenience.
So Uditi and Priya. First Uditi, then Priya. Yes, Uditi, third one.
You can enjoy a book you own at your convenience.
Do you
Ma'am,
agree with the
same.
answer?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Fawaz and Akash now. They've not got a term. Fawaz and Akash, the D one.
A borrowed book must be treated with a certain formality.
Same.
Do you also agree? Hmm?
Yes.
Or you have a different answer or it is same, beta?
Ma'am, a certain, ma'am, a borrowed book must be treated uh,
Must be treated.
ma'am, with a certain formality.
Yes. So Akash and Fawaz, they have the same answers, and I think most of you, 100% of us agree with the answers. So let's move on to the third one now. This one.
Excuse
There
me,
are just
ma'am.
4 in this. Hanji beta.
Ma'am, we can write a certain borrowed book treated with
Let's see what
must
he's
be
saying. Children,
formality.
listen to what he's saying. Hi beta, bolo what you're trying to say.
A
A
certain
certain
borrowed.
नहीं बेटा, I'll tell you क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं. Because a is coming before borrowed book also. So it will become a certain a borrowed book. तो गलत
Yes.
हो जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Had it been borrowed तो कर सकते थे. A certain borrowed book must be treated with formality. But because we have a both the places, so grammatically गलत हो जाएगा. यहाँ नहीं कर पाएंगे. Because we have a in front of borrowed. Now the third one, children, just take 2 minutes. Let me see how many hands raised. 5, 6. Charlie, let's give a minute more. Akash, Akshita, Ansh, we are waiting for you. Ariba, Aryan Raj, Soham, Uditi, Suryansh. Jaldi kariye beta, raise your hands.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, but very few beta. Okay,
I'm done.
Suryansh is already. Suryansh is done. Soham is done. Akash, what happened this time? Not yet done. Dhruv,
Ma'am,
5.
last one is left.
Okay, do it. Take your time. Dhruv, beta, what happened? Faiz, Fawaz, Miran. Chaliye, Faiz is also done. Soni, Uditi, Utkarsh, Vishal. Hurry up, hurry up. Is it tricky? So it's taking time. Utkarsh is done. Harshita, what happened? You did not answer the previous part also. Are you there, Harshita? Harshita Singh, are you there? So I can mark one child absent now. No issues. Muzammil, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you finding it difficult?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं, never mind. Last 1 minute, beta. Then I'll start discussing because not even 50% hands. Akash has finished. Good. Soni, what happened, Uditi?
I'm quite baffled by this C1.
Okay. Chaliye, once we'll discuss, we'll get to know. But anyways, one part is only not done. You can raise your hand, we'll discuss. Shazer, Soni.
I'm doing.
Okay. Doing last 1 minute.
Yeah.
12 students have already done. That's a good number. Just last 1 minute. Then we'll see whatever best is possible. So let's try. Let's try the first one. Anshika Singh and Vedehi. First two hands in my list. I don't know. Maybe the list of participants is different in yours. So Anshika and Vedehi.
Kindness is a quality that makes everybody happy. Kindness is a quality that makes everybody happy.
Okay. Anshika, what is your answer?
Same, ma'am. Kindness is the quality that makes everybody happy.
Okay. Beta, do you all agree with the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Priya
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes, ma'am.
Ritul. Okay. Priya and then Ritul. Second one. Somebody else would like to try? Suryansh, would you like to try?
Ma'am, may I try?
Paritosh?
Ma'am, I couldn't
Yes,
get this
but
one.
okay, never
All we
mind.
need is to
Paritosh?
focus on. All we need is
Wait,
to
beta,
focus
beta.
on some.
Paritosh. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly.
All we need is to focus on some little acts of kindness which we can do right now.
Children, do you think it's correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Very nicely done. A little complicating one. Suryansh is going to try the same thing now. Suryansh, try beta.
Ma'am, second one.
Yeah, second one. Now we know the answer.
No. Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Ma'am, I couldn't hear him, ma'am, properly.
Chali, never mind. Paritosh has already given the answer. Somebody else would like to try so that Suryansh can hear now. Somebody, anyone, please. Come on, the second one again.
All we need
All
to
we
focus.
First Devansh started. Speak, Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am. All we need to focus on some little act of kindness which we can do right now.
Okay. Is it correct?
Ma'am,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
and two is together, so we can't separate them, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So I want somebody else again to speak. Suryansh, are you confident now? Since you observed the sentence so carefully.
Ma'am, I just got stuck on the last part. Ma'am, I've done the first few words. Ma'am, if someone else
May I?
repeats it, then I will be.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Yes. Try.
All we need
Can I?
is to focus on some little acts of kindness which we can do right now.
Exactly. This is perfectly fine. All we need to see, all we need is to focus on. See, this is how we'll go ahead. All we need is to focus on some little acts of kindness which we can do right now. Okay,
Ma'am, my
third one.
one is wrong.
Can I tell?
I think there was something missed out in that part. Something was left, or some
And two
two.
words.
I
Some
speak.
two
I
words you
spoke
had
only
missed out.
this.
Yes, beta. Some two words. One. That is why I always say be very careful and be very slow when you speak out the jumble sentences. What happens is we generally miss out on something. Who's giving me the third one? The joy of.
Can I?
Okay, Shazer is the first one to answer. Yes, beta.
Also, we get the joy of satisfaction being useful and serviceable to others.
Has he used each and every word, children? Shehzad, thoda dheere bolo beta, so that others can comprehend what you're saying. Beta, others please check. Hanji,
Ma'am,
boli.
also we get the joy of satisfaction being useful and serviceable to others.
Okay. Do you agree with the answer?
No, ma'am.
Why?
No. Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Who said no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Somebody said no, na. Try. Chalo. Let's see. Maybe we have a different answer. Otherwise, Shehzad, what you said, I'm absolutely satisfied with it. The answer is fine. But we can have a different option. Somebody wants to try. Who was it?
ma'am, Devansh.
Okay, Devansh. Bolo.
We get the joy we get the joy of useful and serviceable satisfaction. एक minute.
Ma'am, can I try?
It's gone wrong. It's gone wrong somewhere. Devansh has got confused. Who else
Ma'am,
wanted to
can I
give the
try?
answer? Okay, try. Please speak.
We get the joy of satisfaction also being useful and serviceable to others.
The only thing is he has changed the position of also, and here also it is going fine. Grammatically also, sentence formation wise also, it's going fine. So we can absolutely say yes, Akash, it's fine. Good. Who is coming up with the D1 now? The next one?
May I?
Yes, Paritosh.
To practice acts of kindness, we don't have to go very random.
Yes,
Okay, children, do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Does
have a
someone
different
have a
one.
different answer? Someone has a different answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chale, Uditi and Soni, tell us.
We don't have to go random to practice the acts of kindness. Yes, ma'am. Same.
Oh, beta, one at a time. Either Uditi or Soni. Half you are speaking, half you are speaking. Others will not be able to understand. Speak.
We don't have to go very random to practice act of kindness.
We can take it like this also. And what was it that you spoke, Paritosh? Speak again, beta.
To practice acts of kindness, we don't have to go very random.
Exactly. Both of them are correct. Perfectly right. Sentence formation is correct. Grammatically, it is correct. So, see, you can have different options of having the same jumble sentences. Very good. Let's do these ones. The first four. Mosquito breeding, overhead tank, very quickly. Let's do it together only, since we just have 1.5 minutes left. So no point giving you time. Chaliye. Who will tell me the first one? Quickly.
Ma'am, can I?
May I?
Ma'am, may I?
Now there is a lot of confusion. Who was the first one? We just have 1.5 minutes.
Paritosh, ma'am, Paritosh.
Okay,
Ma'am, can I?
Paritosh, speak. Oh, Saif is wanting to answer. Saif, you want to answer now? Saif,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Saif. You
Yes,
speak. You
ma'am.
did not get the chance. Yes, speak.
To prevent precaution, uh, to to prevent the following precaution, take mosquito breeding.
थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया. Vikram is
Ma'am, can I
wanting to
try?
try.